Okay, fingers crossed. This is the last bit. The axle is for fastening the wheels. Oh, did I forget again? It was the axle and then the rims and then, as I can remember, that's it done. I feel like these should be black. Not that it matters because it's not going to be seen, is it? Right, axles. This is the correct size now, so we need to delete that mirror. Right, this one, rim, we're going to call that inner. Yeah. On outer. You'll see why in a second. They connect together. The pattern doesn't matter because I add a couple more D levels, it rounds it out. So just ignore that. Right, so now that's going to put it all back on again and then remove that. There we go, right. So we can keep this inner rim, but we need to replace the outer rim. See, because as it's printed, you have the tyre and then you clip these in to create that whole piece. If there was a hole in there, you could connect it to the axle. They would probably rotate. Well, they should rotate, to be fair. You see here how they are. Yes, they are. Right. So we need the opposite of that. Or we just need that and then scale it up a little bit. Right, tell you what, Shift D. And then, oh, hang on. Didn't separate it, did I? Stupid. Right. This axle. Holy. Right, and all. We want to scale it, but not on the X. So scale Shift X. And that should fit inside of there. Give it a bit of leeway. And this we go extrude and scale that way. Thank you. In fact, what we'll do is we shall move that back that way also. In fact, all of it. As you can see, it's colliding. Extrude X. Turn something off for now. So that has to fit into there like that. Oh my goodness. Good grief. Mirror. And of course it's put it there. So what we do, Control A. Oof, we'll do all transforms. So in there, we should do thinking if we'll click that. Nice. Is that going to be visible? It doesn't matter being visible inside. That's where buying the dash, isn't it? So right here. See what this does. Put that to the will be that. No, I don't like it. Let's have a think. Where I was thinking was that one and that one. That GG, move that into there. It sounds crazy, but I like that one. 2 plus. Scale without X. So then you can't see it there at all. That just looks a little messy. I don't like that. Oh, could do that because then that looks like the brake disc. Let's chop up one on there as well. Ouch. Oh, big stretch in the dirt again. Right then. Plus, can't see it breaking through there. Although, do we want to see it breaking through there? Let's see on the other one. That one does break through there. It does look quite good. Damn it. I think this is because the wheels are higher into the arch. Maybe the whole mini needs lifted. I can't do that because it's had a character printed for it. Standing with his arm on, the guy's arm on the roof. I can't raise it any. Oh, shifting. It's a little weird there. Yep. Right. And zoom that. I'm going to leave those edges on there like that. What to do? Does that look ridiculous now? It's just too much, isn't it? go. Of course it cuts through. Although, that's fine, that's fine. So then I'm going to apply that on. Will that work? Seriously. Oh, it hasn't got that on, man. No. Right, I need to put. Oh, this is gonna. Right. That axle going through the. The leaf springs is not going to be much copper, really, is it? Let's see what I'm thinking is. I'll just hide there a sec. These. So snap these back again, redo them. G. Right. Bring the axle back out. Go. Rotate X. Check the time again. Tell you what, this recording, the whole thing is absolutely killing the speed it's supposed to be done, so I don't think I'm going to record another one. At least not client work, this should be finished ages ago now. Yeah then, so dare I say it? You know what happens when I say it? The rim is the last thing to do. Or as I like to call it, the rim is the last thing to do till I realise there's something else to do. But we shall do the rim in the next one, and then that is it. Oh, I think it's about another 40 videos to upload after this. Saying that, they'll already be here by the time you're watching this. Okay, right, saved. And I shall catch you in the next one.